I'm genuinely, I'm on my deathbed, but how is everyone? Oh my god, okay, what the flip? Okay, everything's working, everything seems to be working okay. So I'm glad that it's like actually giving me, giving me a reason to carry on. But I am like literally almost dead, so that's fun. Let me just check all the audio's working. Yeah, all the audio is working fine. Okay. Right, we are playing Fishing Planet. I've never played this before. I have no idea what I'm doing. Well, and yeah, I do have a cold, and everything is bum cheeks, but it's okay. We're gonna get through it. Welcome to Lone Star Lake. Let's learn how to catch fish. Hold out and let to head onto the dock. What? Oh yeah, bitch. Oh, I can just sprint. Okay. Make your first cast. Okay. Zoom in to see the float closer. Oh. Am I gonna catch anything? Wait for a bite. I'm waiting for a fucking bite, bitch. Ah! What do I do? Bluegill. Okay, we got a bluegill. I'm so fucking confused. It said sporadically press RT, but like it would say for the most part to press. Okay, I don't need to do this. I don't need to do this. What's the float indicator? Trust I am. Huh? Golden shiner. Okay, I will get used to this. I will. I think. Let's try it. Why to open tablet map? Oh. Beaver Dam. What, am I going to fish some beavers or something?
Hey there. Welcome to the lake.
Also, guys, I will fucking blow my nose on stream. I don't care. If you don't like it, I guess, I'm sorry, but I'm not going through all of that. Go asking for some worms. Hello. Claim. Okay. I'll be to swap the bread for worms. Step onto the dock, you'll see a spot where crappies are biting. I'm fucking sorry. I've never fished in my life. I don't know what any of these things mean. Yep. I'm waiting.
Did you see my concealer by chance?
No.
That's so gay.
I got a white crappie fam. I'm streaming, by the way. Lol. Let's try casting further. You change your cast from pitching to overhead. Huh? Hold R. Okay. Hold RT, then release it when the pot reaches maximum. Okay, bitch. I don't want to talk about it. That was actually arse. That was so bad. That was such terrible aim. What is my fucking problem? Press and hold LT. I am. Trophy white crappie. Yay! We're getting a lot of crappies today. I don't know if that's like... Also, I forgot to do my intro thing. There we go. I don't know if that's like... Is that really a fish name? Fucking crappie. That's strange. Blank open map. What was I doing? What was I meant to be doing? Was it missions? I think it must have been. I have no idea what's going on. I'm gonna be so dead ass. I am clueless as fuck. Oh, sell the fish. Swipe in local map. Okay. Leave the lake to finish tutorial and claim your... Okay, we are now in out the tutorial. Fucking hell, bro. My stomach's feeling the effects of all of the garlic I've been eating, bro. Yesterday I had like 6 raw cloves of garlic. Like, it was insane. And the first thing I had when I woke up today was garlic. Because like it helps like congestion and that with my nose. But yeah, the burning in your stomach is not worth it, guys. I'm gonna be so dead ass. Like, nothing is worth that absolute pain I felt when I had that first bit of garlic today. Everything was on fire and I genuinely thought I was like bleeding out and dying. I thought like the garlic had thinned my blood way too much. But yeah. I don't know why I thought I was like having a heart attack or something, because bro, garlic's a blood thinner, so like that doesn't even make sense. But yeah, I genuinely thought like I was gonna die and everything was like over for me. But yeah. It's not, I just had too much garlic. But it really hurt, so I hope, you know, that never happens again. I've lost my vape. Okay, I found my vape. Texas, welcome. Texas, welcome to Lone Star Lake, Angler. Enjoy some proper Texas fishing and get to know these waters with a little help from the locals. Head over to Nate at the barbecue wagon near the lakeside grill area and say hi. He might point you towards your first adventure. Take the track the mission, and use your tablet to follow the hints. Why can't I read anything? But do I want to do missions? I suppose I do, don't I? Okay. Travel to Lone Star Lake. Why can't I get off of it now? The fuck? Let me out, brother. Oh my god, what's going on? I can't do anything. Bro. Okay, we're back. Panicked. Okay. Travel. I was trying to press A the whole time. I'm so, like, these controls are so strange. It's always been A for me. I'm scared if anyone new comes in, they're gonna think this is how I always sound. No, guys, I'm just like basically dead or whatever, you know? Not a big deal. Okay, I think I'm feeling fine though. I'm feeling fine. Does tea help with cold? Probably not. I'm trying as hard as I can to get rid of this shit. Because, bro, it's my birthday on Saturday. And I don't want to, A, have a cold on Saturday. Oh, I just remembered something. But anyway, I don't want to have, like, a cold, like, on my birthday. Because, bro, shit would not be good. Okay, there's someone waiting for me here. Yeah. Okay, there's actually other people here. Talk to Nate. Where's Nate? I'm not seeing Nate. At the lakeside grill area. Where's the grill? Where's the grill area? Is this the grill area? It must be, but there's no Nate here. What the hell? Nathaniel, where are you? I'm guessing I don't talk to any of you. Should we try chat? Okay. Apparently, oh, never mind. Okay, this is so fucking. This is so long. I could have just googled it. What's my fucking problem? Where is Nate? Okay, now I can't get off of chat. Okay. Oh, thanks. Everyone's ignored me. That's great. Thanks a lot, guys. Really appreciate it. Oh, hang on. What's that? Oh.
Hey there.
Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Of course he's in the fucking van. Oh my god. Pan full of fish. Nate wants to cook up a fresh dinner, but he's missing both the fish and his frying pan. Help him catch some panfish and find the lost pan. Track the mission and use your tablet to find the best panfish spots. Nate, mark for you, and fast travel between locations on the map. Okay! I know a good few fishing spots. I marked them. Yep, we know. Tablet map! I'm trying to open my tablet map, brother. Is this catch threadfin shad or warmer? What? Is this how little I know about fishing? Okay. This place looks like it would be less populated with other people, so let's go here. Okay, can I not just travel, like, immediately? Oh my god. What, are you telling me I've actually got to walk? Okay, nah, fuck that shit, bitch. I ain't walking anywhere. I'm just gonna... Yeah. There we go. Clobber. Okay, it's actually not working. Why can't I get my fucking... There we go. Okay. I'm gonna go around here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is actually tragic. This is genuinely tragic. Bro. When I was a young boy, my father took me into the city. I'm not doing this again. I'm not having that song stuck in my head again. Hello, where am I? Oh my god. I need a different song to have stuck in my head. That can't be the same one. 2 days. Not in a row, but... What's that word for, like... There's an off day in between 2 on days. Oh my god, I forgot the word. There is a word for it. I'm not schizophrenic. There is a word for it. I just don't know what word it is. Okay. Okay. The fuck? So what am I meant to do then? Oh, I'm all the way over there. Hang on. What? I'm nowhere near any of them. How do I get there then? I can't teleport. I'm so confused. I am not walking in water, bitch. I know for a fact it's gonna be slow as shit. I don't even know if I can. Yeah, no, I can't. I can't even walk in the water. Okay, bollocks. Okay, right, we're at the edge. We keep going the opposite direction and we get to there. Okay, keep going in the opposite direction. Let's go, bitches. When I was a young boy, my father... Oh, not again, not again. No. Okay. See if we're here. No, we are in fact not here. Okay, we keep going very, very far away. Very far away. Oh, fair fishing planet. Yeah. Hello, Break. How are you? I can't go over here. Bro. I can't go over here. This game is actually tragic. I wanted to have a break from The Sims because I just don't know what I'm doing, so I thought I'd confuse myself even more with another game I've never played before. That rhymed, but it's not going well, and I can't get to a point that I'm trying to get to. It's not letting me get past this little blip, like over here, but I have to get over there. And I can't travel or anything. Like, I can't teleport. I don't know. I'm gonna die. Bro. When I was a young boy. Okay. I can't fucking find anything. It's all just gone. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna try and like fish over here. Okay, that did not work. Come on, up. Ugh. Okay, there's people fishing over here, so I guess I can. Oh! Well, hey. Huh? Try adjusting the leader length when a tackle is not in the water. Okay, bitch. There is no fish. Ah! What the fuck? What's going on? What the fuck are you? Trophy warmouth. Hello. Apparently that's good. I don't know. I don't fish. You have reached level 3. Look at me go. I'm so good at this. Okay. Red worms hook. Oh, right. I forgot. We've got worms on this. Okay, there's 2 points. Like, on the top. But I don't know what they are. So I might go and explore. Or not, because I can't get through there. Is this like the end? Oh no, I can go through here. Okay. No, there is an end. There is an end. Right. What the fuck? Bro. Where's the fucking Lakeside Grill area? Yeah. Catch blacktail shiner or golden shiner. Well, we can try. Yeah. Have you ever tried fishing in real life? I have once. And I caught a carp because my dad lives on a boat. Like, he doesn't have a house or anything. He lives on a boat. So, like, I'll go down and I'll, like, see him or whatever. And, yeah, I tried fishing once. Scariest shit of my life, I can't lie. I held that fish with pure fear in my eyes. Like, it was so, like, slimy. I don't know what I expected from a fish, but it wasn't that texture at all. It was so scary. Get up, bitch. There we go. Warmouth again. Okay. Catch blacktail shiner or gold. Fish activity changes. Skip ahead for better bites. Huh? All fish will be sold when advancing to the next day. Yeah. 4 times 8. Yeah. Blacktail shiner. China. China. Bro. That's a fair response, to be honest, but it gets fun the more you go. Yeah. I think if I did actually, like, do it more often, I think I would get used to it and I would actually enjoy it. But, yeah, I've only managed to do it once. All the other times I've ended up throwing it, like, way out of the river and shit. Like, me with a fishing rod is a danger to society. It's bad. I have no sense of aim or anything. Okay. Fish. Oh my god, wait, why is the rod like fish may be deeper or close to the surface? So I just did a bit of leader length? What's that mean? I'm so confused. Was that a catch? Hey, we got a bluegill. But not good enough. Okay. I'm gonna try over here. I'm checking the tablet actually. Over there. I have successfully marked the location. Okay. Where then? Huh? What are you? Why are you massive and green? Yellow base. Okay. But I need to get over there somehow. What do I do? Do I Google it? Do I cheat a little bit and Google it? I'm very confused. I don't know. Because we're not going to progress at all if we're stuck here doing this shit. I've reached level 4 and I still don't know where the fuck I'm meant to be going. I'm going to Google it. Keep net is full. Next day. You'll stay on the pond as explode. Press extend. Extend. Blacktail shinier or golden shinier. How to get to blacktail shiner. Shiner, not shinier, shiner. What the hell? How to get blacktail shiner. Fishing planet. My stomach, man. Oh my god, I'm on fire. I'm burning, I'm burning, I'm burning. Lone Star Lake. Beavers dance. Fish the edges of the lily pads. Number 8, yeah. Float setup. Set depth to about 20 to 25 inches or a light bottom rod. What? Set depth. How? How do I set the depth? What's the line leader? What the fuck? Hold on, this has just opened up a new fucking depth. Hang on. I need to Google depth. How to change depth. Fishing. Fuck off. Fishing. Fuck off. Fishing planet. I can't type. Press the O key. Bitch, I'm on Xbox. Xbox. Oh. Float or lead. Oh. Right, okay, so, that's meant to be down by a lot. 25. Okay, bitch, let's go. We're waiting for some fish. We're waiting for some fish. We're waiting for some. Ah! Got one. Wait, did I? Never mind, I'm stupid. It just buzzed and I got excited. Okay. We're waiting for some fish. 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 Sorry, guys. Gets annoying after a while. Okay, I don't know whether to trust that. How do I tell? Oh my god, no, I can't have that stuck in my head. That's really bad. I didn't get one. Still. What? Brother, what? Brother, where's my fishing rod gone? Where's my fishing rod gone? Brother? Hello? What the fuck? Where's me fucking fishing rod? Bike chart, yes. Beaver Dam, Lone Star Lake. Hang on a glorious little second. Hold on. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. No. Are you joking? Are you actually having a giggle? Are you having a giggle? All I had to do was go to the map this whole fucking time. Are you joking? Why didn't I clock that? Why has my brain turned into soup? What the fuck? Okay. I still don't have my fucking fishing rod. Where's my rod gone? Guys, what the hell? My rod has disappeared. Oh my god, what have I done? I've just... yeah, this isn't looking great. I'm gonna be so dead ass. Found it! Fuck off. Guess who found their rod, bitches? We're rodded up. Hey. Oh, no, not doing it then. Was that full? It was. Trophy warmouth again. Okay, the fuck? Yeah. Catch a blacktail shiner. Okay. Blacktail shiner. Golden shiner, blacktail shiner. Blah, 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 blah. These words mean nothing to me, but I'm going to pretend like they do. Because I want to be smart. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. I'm going to kill myself. Bro, this is taking its sweet time. I don't know if I was meant to adjust the, leader length to 25 centimeters, to be honest. That didn't seem very smart to me to begin with. But, again, can't trust my own judgment, so... There is a fish there. If it'd just take its sweet time. Oh my god, we got one! We got a blacktail shiner! Guys! Okay. Catch green sunfish. Where the fuck do I catch a green sunfish? We do it there. Select mark. Right, okay, we've now marked the location. Now we go to the map! What's that? Home sweet home. Yeah, probably. Probably there. Okay. Okay, yeah. Yeah, this looks like it'd be the place. Let me on the dock, bitch. Yeah. We need to hurry the fuck up though, because the day is almost over. Please get a green sunfish. That sounds like a really fun name. Green sunfish, fam. Imagine being called a green sunfish. Threadfin shad. No, that's not what I want. Come on, bitch. Come on, bitch. Come on, bitch. This is taking so long. Ah! So every time my controller buzzes, I get scared. Disturbed my fucking puff for what, mate? Disturbed my puff for what? Okay, this might not even be the spot. I might just be, like, retarded. This might genuinely be a different spot. We're gonna try one more time, and then we're gonna try and figure out, like, what the fuck's going on. This does like to take its fucking time, doesn't it? I thought I had one. Okay, whatever. I give up. I'm not trying anymore. Why are you looking like that? The fuck? Thank you. Okay. Yeah, no, we're nearly there. We should be exactly where it says to catch one now. Yup. Okay. Come on, bitch. Let's go. Ah. It's buzzing. It's buzzing. Please. Fuck off. Are you having a fucking giggle? Brother. Was that? No, it wasn't. Okay, well done, Holly. Well done. Bro. Threadfin shad. No, that's not what I need. That's not what I need. This is actually traumatic. When I was a young boy. Oh my god. That song. It just doesn't leave me alone. It doesn't leave me alone. When I was a young boy, my father took me into the city. I'm actually gonna die. Sorry, guys. Things have to be done sometimes. I have like a whole fucking roll of like tissue. I actually hate having a cold. It's the worst thing ever. Threadfin shad again. Okay, you know what, guys? I cannot. I'm sorry, this has been a really short stream, but I'm holding in a lot right now. So I think I'm gonna have to end it because, bro, like, honestly, I don't get all like feely with anything. I don't like bring feelings into anything, but yeah, I'm just not feeling the best. So I'm gonna go now. I'll be okay. I just have a cold and I'm being dramatic, basically, in every sense of the word. So I'm gonna go and be dramatic by myself instead of bringing everyone down with me. So I will see everyone. Maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day, maybe the day after that. Maybe I don't know. It won't be Saturday. I won't see you Saturday. Oh, actually, I might, but it'd be a lot later than 4. But yeah. I love you all, and I will see you all whenever. Bye, guys.